will continue with the lecture number 2. Earlier we discussed about how can we insert image in HTML. Also I told you how can we print the font color as well as the background color. Today we will discuss about what is the meaning of list. List plays an important role in HTML, my dear students. First is, I told you, UL means unordered list, and second is ordered list. Two types of the list is working in your HTML, which is helpful to create a web page. Now we will study about what is OL. First we will discuss the OL, that full form is order list. Order list means, as a name clear, as a term clear itself, it means orders anything which in a sequence wise known as a ordered list. And what is the meaning of UL? That is known as unordered list. That means it is not in a sequence. That should be in a sequence but not in a number mode. That doesn't mean it is whatever you will write, they will not print as a sequence. They will print as a sequence whatever you will write, but that is an unordered mode. I told you how is it possible. By the help of program we will understood how it is working. Come with me. First we will understand how order list is working. The first is we will write the HTML. As we know, this is a tag system. This is we need to be write, and then we need to be write title, and the title is your own choice, whatever you want to print, and then after closing title need to close the head and then open the body. The matter is going to start from here. So we will put the order list OL tag. It is a particular tag system, and once I am clear you, it's a container tag, not as an empty tag, that should be open, and after performing the action, whatever the data we want to print, after that we need to close this. The order list, the first one, list 1, and this is list item. Okay, li means list item, first list item, whatever I want to print. Like suppose the question is print the 5 fruits name. Again I am repeating, the question is write a program in HTML to print the 5 fruits name. So for that we are going to make one proper tag system. Li name, I put the first is orange, and then li is an empty tag, need not to be closed. Okay, as I told you in my first lecture, what is the difference between container and empty. Li and the orange, after that we will write the second, just because we need to write the 5 fruits name. The next li is banana, and the next li, the next li we will write the grapes. The next li we will write the guava. So can you see, I have written the 5 fruits name over here. First orange, then apple, then banana, then grass and guava. Can you see, I have not closed this li just because I told you this is empty tag. After finishing the program, my dear student, need to be closed the OL, because our action, whatever the action you want to perform, that is finished. I want only 5 fruits name I have given. OL should be closed, and after that the final body should be closed, and after that the proper extension of HTML should be closed. Can you see? And then this program is what? This is known as order list. Okay. Now I am telling you how it will work. Well, we will execute this program and we will come in a web browser to watch this, what is the resultant output. So it will give like this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So can you see, this is sequence. The first sequence is orange, then apple, then banana, then grapes, and then guava. So the sequence will be like that only. So this is the order list which gives the sequence to your particular web. And the next is, I am going to slightly change, and I am telling you what is the difference between order and unordered list. My dear student, the question is same, and I am doing the slide will make a new question like this is UL. Can you see I have changed only UL in the place of OL. I have written now UL. So whatever the change will be the output, we will see over here. The output will comes like that. One thing I forgot to tell you. Here in the case of unordered list, there is a type. This type, range type, star type, bullets type. This is a type. You know what is a bullet and numbering that is present when we are making a PowerPoint presentation? We have some bullets option, which we when we want to give a text in a sequence wise, we are using that one. The same is the order list. So order list means if we are not giving type, where we have to write the type, I told you, like I am giving one type over here, without type and with type. Both I need to tell you. UL and type I have written this. This type I want. Okay. So what will be the change of your answer? Your change of your answer is just like this. Your answer will come like this. Okay. And when you will not do this, so when you will not supposed to write any specific type, so by default, you know, always the by default system is present in computer. If you don't give any command, so computer always take your by default command. So by default, it will give your bullet numbering. Whenever you will not give the particular type which you want to design, then by default, it will give the bullet and numbering. I told you what is the meaning of bullet numbering. Bullet numbering means it will change just like that. Dotted signs. Bullet means dotted sign. Okay. So this is the difference between ordered list and unordered list. I hope you understood. That's all for today. Thank you so much.